Hi, in this video, you will learn what Uniswap is, how to make money on it, its pros and cons, and what to expect from it in 2025. Subscribe and like it now.
Steps to connect Uniswap to MetaMask. We have created this step-by-step guide to make it a cakewalk for you. So, let's get started. 1. Install MetaMask wallet. It is a cryptocurrency wallet that enables users to access the Web3 ecosystem of decentralized applications, dApps. It is a non-custodial wallet that can be accessed from your browser, extension, or mobile app, and it offers complete control over one's assets. This can be installed like any regular extension. Post-installation, it allows users to store Ether and other ERC20 tokens, allowing them to make transactions to any Ethereum address. If you have already installed MetaMask, you can skip the step. To create a new wallet, you must first install the plugin. Download it from here: https://metamask.io/download/ They offer support for the browsers Chrome, Firefox, Brave and Edge, as well as both iOS and Android. Now, follow a series of easy steps required to complete the setup. Once you get to the backup seed phrase, keep it secured, preferably offline, and do not share this ever. Congratulations, you've just created a MetaMask account. It should look something like this. To link Uniswap to MetaMask. Once your MetaMask wallet is ready, just go to the uniswap.org site and click on the Launch App button available in the upper right corner of the web page. Now, you will be able to see the Connect Wallet option in the upper right corner. Click on it. After clicking the Connect Wallet option, a pop will appear, presenting you with the list of Ethereum wallets supported by Uniswap. Just choose the MetaMask wallet option. Now, enter your password and you will be connected. MetaMask will show you the permission request. This permission allows Uniswap to see your wallet balance, activity, and send requests for transactions. But Uniswap cannot move funds without your permission. So, click on the blue button Connect, and there you go. You have successfully connected your MetaMask wallet to Uniswap.
Uniswap is a decentralized exchange, or, as they say, DEX. You can exchange tokens directly, without registration, without verification, just by connecting a crypto wallet. Everything works on Ethereum smart contracts. Today we will analyze Uniswap V3, its interface and how to use it. Here's what you will need: wallet, for example, MetaMask, a little ETH, to pay for gas, network fees, internet access and a browser. Install MetaMask as an extension in Chrome or a mobile application. Open the website https://app.uniswap.org. Click Connect Wallet, select MetaMask, confirm the connection. Now you are inside. The interface is super simple. On the left is the token you want to give, on the right is the one you want to receive. Example, if you want to exchange ETH for USDC, select ETH at the top and USDC at the bottom. Enter the amount, and Uniswap will show you how much you will receive. Click Swap, confirm the transaction in MetaMask. Done. In a few seconds, the tokens will be in your wallet. Attention! Always check the token address. There are many fakes. Choose more liquid pairs. Less slippage. Use Layer 2, Arbitrum, Optimism. Lower fees. Don't exchange everything at once. Start with a small amount. Don't trust links from random sources. Only the official website. Want to make money? You can become a liquidity provider. You contribute tokens to the pool and receive a commission from each transaction. This is called LP, liquidity providing. More details in the next video. Uniswap is a powerful tool that can replace a classic exchange. Connect your wallet, explore, and be careful. This is a decentralized world. Here only you control your money. If you want to understand this video is for you. Let's go. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange that operates on the Ethereum blockchain. Instead of the usual orders, it uses smart contracts and algorithms. You log in, connect your wallet, select tokens, and make an exchange directly. no intermediaries. Everything is simple and transparent. Uniswap V3 is currently in vogue, with concentrated liquidity, low fees, and flexibility for liquidity providers. Here are 5 reasons why Uniswap is so popular. 1. Complete decentralization, no one can freeze your funds. 2. Anonymity and no-kike. 3. Access to rare tokens sometimes earlier than on Binance. 4. Passive income you can earn by providing liquidity. 5. Open source and reliable. The project has been tested by time, but there are also disadvantages. 1. High fees in the Ethereum network. 2. Risk of impermanent loss for liquidity providers. 3. Many fake tokens, you need to be careful. 4. No support service, you are your own assistant. 5. Interface and terms, it can be difficult for beginners. Now how to make money. The first way is regular trading, buy tokens before others. The second is providing liquidity. You contribute a couple of tokens to the pool and receive part of the commission. The third is farming. Some projects reward bonus tokens for contributing to the pool. And the fourth is arbitrage. Buy on Uniswap, sell on another exchange for more. What will happen in 2025? Uniswap is actively being implemented in Layer 2 of the network. This will speed up work and reduce fees. Uniswap is launched, a transaction aggregator. Uni token may grow in price, especially if real use cases appear. Further integration with Web3 and even fintech is more than likely. Who are Uniswap's competitors? Ascent's Pancake Swap on BNB Chain, Ascent's Sushi Swap, a fork with bonuses, Ascent's Curve, a leader in stablecoins, Ascent's Balancer, complex pools, Ascent's, and of course, 1inch, an aggregator of the best rates. Uniswap is a powerful tool, but it requires understanding. Learn, test with small amounts, and be sure to keep everything under control. Subscribe to the channel if you want more useful videos about crypto and DeFi. See you in the next episodes.